Hey guys, good morning. Please ignore any background noises if you can hear them. My sister is vacuuming right now. I woke up at like 7:30 today because I'm getting ready to go pick up our dog. It doesn't feel real at all because I have wanted to have a dog literally since I can remember. It has always been my dream, and I don't think I'm gonna believe it until I actually see the puppy with my own two eyes. We have a full setup for her that I would love to show you, but I literally have no time. Like, we literally should be leaving right now. So yeah, let's go pick up our puppy. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It's our puppy's second day in our home and she's doing really well. She sleeps most of the time and she loves to like curl up in little corners and crevices, and she also loves feet. She will chase your feet while you walk and she will like sit in between your feet and fall asleep there. And yesterday she was a little scared, obviously, and stressed, so she would like hide in little corners. Now she's exploring more and she plays and she bites your fingers. And the only issue we are having really is the fact that she doesn't know how to use peeing pads because the lady we got her from taught her how to pee on towels, which I don't have that many towels that she can pee on, you know? And also, she doesn't really want to eat unless you put the food on a spoon. Like, she doesn't eat out of her bowl or out of a plate. But other than that, she's really good and she's so adorable that I want to die. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the updates for now. Ale jesteś groźna. Dobra, już nie. It is now almost 11 p.m. and my sister was taking care of our puppy this afternoon because I was out, and now it's my turn to babysit her. By the way, I never said her name. We named her Teddy because she looks like a tiny little teddy bear. Hello? Hello? Good morning. Jesus, I look rough. This one right here was crying all morning. And yesterday when she was supposed to go to sleep, she suddenly had a lot of energy and started biting everything.
Stał na straży suwerenności Polski. Nikt nie będzie za nas decydował. Groźba zamknięcia kopalni Turów, unijna propozycja relokacji migrantów, a teraz słowa niemieckiego polityka. Te trzy tematy.
Y'all, I'm tired. This puppy is a bit of a menace, I'm not gonna lie. And me and my sister were talking and I was like, man, I could never have a baby. Because like taking care of a puppy is so exhausting that like I couldn't do it. I literally couldn't take care of a human being like that. I mean, taking care of her isn't really hard. It's just really tiring, and my sleep schedule is all over the place right now. But I mean, this is what I wanted. This has been my dream for so freaking long. And you know, she's gonna become more independent over time. So yeah, I'm really happy and I'm really excited and I love her to death, but it's exhausting at the same time. But can we just talk about the magnificent setup that my sister made for a second? Because Teddy was taught to pee and poop on towels, so we were scared that she's gonna mistake our rug for a towel and she's gonna poop on it or pee on it. So my sister just made this wall out of just random objects that she found so that she can't go on the rug. But I mean, it works. So okay, so the devil just woke up and she peed on the floor and then she ate a little bit because I told her to. And now she's biting stuff. Also, I forgot to tell you guys that she barked for the first time last night. She barked twice and then once this morning. So she's barking now. Nie bój się. Nie traf. Nic się nie dzieje. To jest mała. Taka chuda. Dobry piesek. Dobry piesek. Masz smakowe. Smakolik. Smakolik, czujesz go? Smakolik. Taki jedny leży, to widzisz. Rama kulka jest po prostu. Dobry piesek. Jezu, dawaj czekaj. Nie to. Tutaj. Dobra. Nie bój się, nie bój. Czekaj, Teddyś. Kurde, nie masz tu telefonu, żeby wziąć ice swoje. Dobra, weź, bo ja muszę wziąć szampon więcej, bo ona... Czekaj. Clean girl.
Ja należy. 93, 96. Kolejne pytanie. Trzecie z rzędu. Bardzo proszę.
Uformowany, ale jeszcze miękki przedmiot posypywało się sodą i pokrywało drugą warstwą szkła. I za pomocą reakcji chemicznej następowało takiego śmierci.